Touch screen video on, so we're going to show you what's been going on towards our area. Pedica, yeah. Let me get into the news here, because we are under a tornado warning for part area. So I hope I get. Oh, and yes, the temperature's dropped down to 62 already. So Memphis, you're gonna get hit by the crazy storm. Or if you guys are trailing down I-55, you're under the storm. Oh, and yes, I have the screen movie on right now. Get it? The screen video right now. You guys are actually watching us today. And the storms are passing by Wisco, part of Tenneasse, I guess, Holcomb, which is part of Tennessee, I think. And I expect the news. Yeah, because I know this is horrible when you travel down those streets, so it's quite delays there, because I know my wind speeds that I can't think of show nothing. So we're gonna check the temperatures and see how's that. There we go. Don't know why that. Temps are dropping down 66 right there. The past temps are dropped down to 54 already. Or if you guys are actually in the storm, you might get some temperatures drops. Should probably, I'll say 55 degrees. I see that little hole right there. That is some rotation right there, going towards 153. So this is just a horrible situation we're having here. See that hole right there? Sorry, but this is the storm of the rotation we're having. It's already 9:09. My clock says 9:17 here. So if you guys are traveling towards, like, unexpected Dexter area, Karma area, you're under this rotation here, going towards the 153 area. If you guys are traveling down there, so yes, so stay safe. This is past small rotation towards the area where the lightning summer. Well, these lightning were when the sun is bad. Never seen as big as rotation ever. This is just horrible traveling down the area. I hope we get the Methods news on here, so I'll go stay tuned here. Sorry about that, but we're so the weather has like issued some tornadoes in our area. And that storm's just gonna be just moving slowly towards Tennessee right now, and I expect some tornadoes here hit the area. And if you guys are traveling towards the interstate here. You're under this 70 mile per hour gust in that area. Going this little line right there. This is a hair area as soon as they can. And we're gonna actually see storm reports. Also, there's some reports of 64 mile per hour gusts at Bolton Airport at 8:45. And we've got 7 trees and roadsides down on Highway 67 at 7:52. I expect some hail involved here. Little line right there. Got trees, power lines down there. See right there. I have hail going on. This is like really bad. If you guys are in St. Louis, you might get hit really bad. This is getting worse here. So so if you guys are in this storm, you might get hit really bad. So we might get some damage, localized damage, right? I don't know, probably towards my between Oakland area, you're gonna get hit. This is worse. This is gonna be the biggest line we're gonna have. I'm not placing a missing Bartlett or something. This is gonna be the worst storm we're gonna have. Even this car right here is gonna get bad. This will be bad. We might get the worst storms. Evan, the last power outages north of I-69. So I gotta see you guys later in the morning.